This is a progressive muscle relaxation exercise. You'll relax one area of the body at a time by tightening the muscles as you inhale and suddenly releasing the muscles as you exhale. You'll begin with your feet and slowly move up your body, relaxing muscles along the way, like slowly dipping into a calming hot tub. Get ready to inhale deeply and tighten the muscles in your feet by clenching your toes and pulling your feet upwards. Ready? Inhale and tense your feet. Continue to hold. Now, exhale and release. Allow the muscles in your feet to completely soften. Good. Now, focus on the muscles in your calves. Okay. Inhale and tighten your calves. Hold. Exhale and release your calves, allowing the tension to drain away. Good. Next, you'll tighten the muscles in your thighs and buttocks. Ready? Inhale and flex the muscles. Hold. Exhale and relax, letting go of any tightness or discomfort. Notice how your legs feel now. If any tension remains, you can slowly roll your legs back and forth until the muscles feel calm. Now focus on your torso. You'll tense your stomach and chest, squeezing the muscles together. Ready? Inhale and hold tightly. Exhale and release, making space in your abdomen for breath. Good. Now you will tighten your lower back and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Inhale and tense your back muscles. Hold. Exhale and relax. Shift your attention to your hands and prepare to firmly clench your fists. Okay. Inhale and squeeze. Hold. Exhale and relax, letting any tension or discomfort flow out through your fingertips. Next, focus on your arms. You'll curl your arms up, flexing your biceps. Inhale and tense the muscles. Hold. Exhale and release. Now you'll straighten your arms and tighten your triceps. Inhale and tighten. Hold. Exhale and release. Take a moment to roll your arms slowly back and forth to release any remaining tension. Now move onto your shoulders and neck. You'll lift your shoulders up, pulling them into your neck. Ready? Inhale and hold tight. Exhale, release, and relax, letting your shoulders gently settle. Now focus on the muscles of your face. You'll squeeze your eyelids shut, clench your jaw, and smile as widely as possible. Okay. Inhale and tense your face. Hold. Exhale and relax, letting the muscles of your face and jaw soften. Just lay quietly for a moment and gently scan your body to see if there are any remaining areas of tension or discomfort. Gently breathe into those areas and let the muscles ease as you exhale.